Hey, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air, and this is about repiping, replacing the water pipes in your home, and how to know if you actually need it. Here are the signs we tell Miami homeowners to watch for. Water that comes out rusty or discolored, especially first thing in the morning. Water pressure that's dropped across the whole house. Leaks that keep popping up in different spots in the house. And the big one, if your home was built before the mid-70s and still has its original galvanized steel piping. That metal corrodes from the inside out, and no amount of spot repairs fixes it. When we repipe a home, we replace those aging lines with modern material that won't corrode. And we plan the job to open as few walls as possible so you're not living in a construction zone. We walk you through the whole scope and we offer a flat price before we start. No open-ended billing on a job, for especially a job this size. 35 years repiping South Florida homes. We're a licensed Florida plumbing contractor. Our license is CFC 1433-145. If you're fighting rusty water or repeat leaks, give us a call for an honest assessment. Call Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air.